Hello everyone, Eric from Nextdoor Automation, Nextdoor Agency. Today I'm stumbling on a post that is illustrating actually the points that I'm making. I have not done a video for quite a while, but I think this one is very important because this post we see that there is a person looking for roofers. And basically any roofer here, I have a drip at my front door and thin the wood needs to be replaced just at the T, and it's been posted about an hour ago. Nobody has responded nor reacted yet, and this is to show you how important it is to be able to monitor Nextdoor feed for potential customers. We have here what we believe is probably not dramatically urgent, but fairly urgent call for services. And the first roofer, the first professional will be able to answer that and hit the iron while it's hot. I forgot the exact expression. Well, has the most likely probability to get an order fairly quickly. So it's not probably a huge work to be done, but that's a easy to grab prospect. And yeah, if you use automation like I suggest you to with my services, then you'll be able to be notified that this type of opportunity arises, and you'll be the first one to be able to get in touch with that person, solve their problem, send them a quote, or send an engineer on site to have a look. Probably difficult to have a proper estimate just based on a picture, but anyway, once you get the contact with the prospect, the lead, you are a professional in how to know how to close a deal. And the thing to note on top of that, it's yes, it's recorded on a Saturday evening. The post has been done an hour ago, so that was something like around 5. We are now close to 6. So that's a very good example why you should rely on automation to have this type of monitoring, because the first one to answer it will get the gig most likely. So that's it for today. Have a great one, and if you want to know more about my services, I leave somewhere around here or below this video links so you can know more about it. Have a great day. Bye bye.